side negative messages, very recalibrating to hear messages from you, young people and kayong mothers. How I wish that longer pa the time to hear from the others. But in any way, we have enough time. You can share what's in your heart. Kumbaga karoon na today is Father's Day, and it's just that time for us to just sit down and receive a word of correction, a word of encouragement, a word of direction, and truly you have blessed us. At ang mga wala ito yung fathers who are done beside me here, that na bless kami, and of course, with the expressions in love and concern you, appreciation. This t-shirt will gonna be treasuring this, not by so, and of course, your simple handshake. Dito tayo kahit ligligit lagi dyan anecdotes na may papalit ni fathers that you know sometimes that kami nga fathers we're not that expressive and deep in our hearts that makangay kami hindi makunang panag-appreciate anak man dayta, asawa man dayta or whoever that we extend our influence as fathers. In behalf of the